So in this video today, I'm gonna be showing you, let's see. All right, so today in, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey, make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make these cute little decorative boxes. You can use them for anything. You can use them for home decor, party decor, whatever you want to use them for. They will be nice to use. So I used the barnwood from Hobby Lobby. If you don't want to use barnwood, you could definitely just use wood. You can use the wood from Home Depot or Lowe's. You can use scrap wood if you have it. Yeah, first of all, if you don't have a miter saw, don't come for me, please. But I do like to switch it up, and I use my power tools sometimes, and sometimes I try to do DIYs that don't require power tools because I have both people that watch this video that have power tools and that don't have power tools. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so now I'm gonna take this nice piece of barnwood that was left over from the 2-pack of barnwood that I bought from Hobby Lobby, and I'm gonna take it to my lovely miter saw, and I'm going to cut it down to the size that I need. I will have both of the measurements for both boxes down below if you want to have the exact same size box. If you don't have a miter saw, you can take this to Lowe's and Home Depot, buy some wood from there, and they can cut it down for you, or you can use a hand saw and saw that thing yourself. All right, so now I'm going to take this scrap piece and I'm going to use it as like kind of like a guide and kind of help me prop up my sides so that I can get a nice measurement of my end pieces. And then when I find that measurement, I'm just going to take the wood back to my miter saw and cut it down to the size that I need. All right, so now that everything is nicely cut out, all I'm going to do now is construct my box. So I'm just basically going to be taking wood glue, and I'm going to glue all of the pieces together. So you can use wood glue, or you can use your glue gun if you want, or you can kind of use both and you'll have that immediate stick, or you can use your clamps if you have clamps. You can just use your wood glue and then clamp everything together so that it will dry nice and straight. Also, you can use wood screws if you want, if you don't want to glue it together. Whatever works for you, do it. All right, so now that I got my big box all nice and glued together, I'm going to start working on my smaller box, doing that same thing, taking my wood glue and gluing all the sides together. So this is what my box looks like after it is all nicely put together. So I decided not to have a bottom. If you want a bottom, you can add a bottom. I also decided to leave my edges where I cut them out just like rough. If you don't want them like that, you can literally stencil them, put decorative nails on them, whatever you want to do. But I like the look. It gives it a little bit more character. But now just to style this, I'm just going to show you how I did it. But there's several different ways you could do that. So I'm just going to take these dollar store jars and I'm going to place them inside of my box, and then I'm going to take these Boxwood flowers, I think this is what I call Boxwood flowers that I got from Walmart. They were 97 cents a piece, and I'm going to add them to each jar. Okay, so after I put them in there, I decided that I wanted to put the rims back on my jar. So I'm just gonna put the rims on the two on the outside, and then I'm just gonna leave the one in the center just without the rim. Now I have my little box all nice and constructed, and what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna put a jar in there. I'm just simply gonna put the Boxwood flowers in there, and I used 2 of them to add to this box. All right, so now for the front, I'm gonna keep it on this side because y'all know I love anything that brings more character, which this side has the most character. So I'm going to use this side, and I'm going to take this industrial looking handle and I am going to add it to my box. First, I am using my glue gun because I totally lost the screws, but I found some screws and I did screw the handle on there. But I will link down below where I got this handle from, so make sure you check out the description if you like this handle. Alright, so that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, as always, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next one.